Michael. Welcome back to SMG 501 Organizational Behavior. Wow, I'm so energetic. I believe everyone have the same energy with me because we are actually coming to an end to this semester. So in this chapter, we're going to discuss still related to group foundation, which is we try to understand the work team. Okay, welcome to chapter 10, understanding work teams. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So here, as you can see, this is the differences between work group and work team. Okay, in work group, the goal is actually only to share information, while for work teams, it's actually we are collecting performance because we want everybody to play their role in order for us to gain a good and productive performance. Okay, synergy. The synergy in work group is neutral and sometimes negative because we don't have that goals of performance. Okay, we only want to share a common interest in that particular work group. But for work team, the synergy is positive because we are trying to gain a good performance in attaining the goals. Okay, accountability for work group is individual, while for work team is individuals and mutual because it's a teamwork, so we need to have a mutual accountability. Skills, work group is random and varied because every one of us have different skills and different specialization. But in work team, it's complementary, which means you will be helping each other and you will be depending on each other in order to complete the task and in order to attain the goals. Okay, so I hope that everyone understand the differences between work group and work team. Next, this is four types of teams. We have problem-solving team, self-managed team, cross-functional, and then virtual team. So this is the types of team that we have nowadays. Okay, um, and this is the characteristic of effective teams. As you can see here, on my left side is the what we call the elements that causing towards team effectiveness. So you can see this on your own. So we just need to look at this as the general thing. First, it should have a context. Context ni kena ada adequate resources, the leadership, climate of trust, performance evaluation and reward system. Number two is composition. Composition is the abilities of the members, the personality. You need to know that in a team, your personality plays an important role in that particular team because if you have a bad personality, it will definitely affect the whole team. Okay. And number three is process, where we share the common purposes, share the specific goals, team efficacy, conflict levels, and social loafing. By having all these three elements, we will definitely create team effectiveness. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so this is the key rules of team. You can see this. You are the linker, creator. Creator means that you are the one who being creative in ideas, promoter, assessor, organizer, producer, controller, maintainer, and advisor. By identifying this characteristic or this role in a team, then only your team will be effective and you will surely attain your goals in a very good way. Alright, so next is the effects of group processes. So in order to attain actual group effectiveness, you need to have a good potential group effectiveness plus the process gains, and you need to minus process losses. So you need to make sure that your team is a team with a positive energy, positive vibes, and everyone is supporting each other, motivated, so then only you get the actual group effectiveness, right? So that is all for today's chapter. I hope that everyone understand about this chapter. We actually comparing between the work groups and the work team, and we're identifying four types of group types, and then we also learn about the characteristic of team effectiveness and what are the roles in a team. So by understanding this, I hope that everyone can be a good team members. Okay, if you can't become a good leader, then become a good team members and followers. By then only you will be complementary towards each other, you and your leader, then your team will be success. With that, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.